All right. What you got, man?
No, just gonna say why.
Because I know exactly what 10 inches looks like. That's why. Show them off, man.
Like 12.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're out here for, everybody. Got Joe right there. He already caught a bass and a white bass. Hey, what's going on, everybody, man? I'm Oscar. You're watching Oscar Outdoors. Today, we are at the infamous Gravel Crossing, man. It's been a little while, I know, you guys. But we're back at it again on the kayak, man. Got some little bit of gear with us and stuff in the back. Joe's already up there getting at it, man. Let's see if we can't find something and pick something up, you guys. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, we held ground at the yaks. We're as far as we can go paddling. We're gonna walk up a little bit. You haven't seen the water this low in years. I got some old videos that show the water level about this low. And we're still doing good back in the day. Sure, there's anything right here.
That's a large dragon.
Yeah. Reminds me of the good old days.
Yeah.
No.
The guys at my wedding, it was white.
Yeah. Look. Still right there.
25,000 miles. Good thing was brand new. It doesn't have.
Oh, I hooked him.
Did he have? Did it bite it?
I think he just hooked him, snagged him. You said what now? Yeah. Test. Well, as you can see, Joe's over there taking a leak. Wilson's gonna follow me. We're gonna move it down a little bit more. But Gravel Crossing's so shallow, we'll be dragging our yaks. There we go. When we get to the other side, we'll jump back in and continue down, up, continue up. All right, everybody, we made it out. We are now on the other side of that shallow part on the first bend of Gravel Crossing. As you can see, I got my trolling motor stowed up and my skeg fin put away because it's so shallow. I'm dragging on the bottom on some spots. So we're gonna manually do this old school, guys, and continue upstream. All right, we got the trolling motor back on, at least for the time being. The water's a little bit deeper here, but at least I can fish. Fish on! White bass. Oh! Go here, guy. Yeah. There you go. White bass. Oh yeah, easy. Might be a female because she ain't milking anywhere. Or he ain't. Oh, that's something. Go ahead and put him on the stringer. Yeah, marabou jig, man. Right here, I seen it jumping over here by this branch. Or something of the sort. All right. First fish of the day, everybody. That's good. All right, there you go. White bass. And I was right over here. And I was just jigging it around too. I thought it was a crappie at first. Oh. Oh, did he get off? There you go. Come on, little guy. Get over here. Here we go. Little white bass. Oh. Is he 10 inches? Oh, this dude's 11 and a half, dude. He looks little. Huh? Oh, I know, right? Look at this guy. Yeah, did I give you, remember? You got it still? I know, you're doing a good job of it. Here comes Wilson right behind you. Mm-hmm. Hey, Wilson. How you doing, doggy? Try to catch another one. Oh, they tore up my marabou already. Man, they don't make these things like they used to. All right, we're gonna try right here. Nice and muddy, sandy bottom. Joe just caught one right now. Right.
A little small, huh?
He's 10 inches, brother.
Put him on there?
Yeah, hook him up. You want a stringer?
Yep.
There you go. All right.
Look, there's one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wonder if it's over here, too. Yeah. White, finally. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Gotta keep it off the bottom because that green stuff. All right. All right, little guy. So, they're kind of here. Got 3 of them. Joe caught 3 already. Fish on. Come on, baby. They fight good. They're all warmed up. All right. Yeah. And don't jump back in the water, man. Yeah, man, it's been a long time since I've been fishing, man. I've been making these videos with the four-wheelers and there you go. Stuff like that, waiting for the weather to get better. Here we are, hooking up again. Let's do it again. There you go. Get in here. Right to me. All right.
Right there.
Yeah, seems like it. A white bass. Yeah. Hey. Got off. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Oh yeah, man. What's going on, bro? All right. All right. Crappie too, huh?
Yeah, one crappie right there. Try to go up a little bit. There's another chute just like this one here. Right up. It's about the same amount of fish, I think.
Yeah. Show that off, man.
Pretty good. Not as good as yesterday. I went to Granger yesterday. I fished the San Gabriel and
Yeah.
Willis Creek. Got like 150 out of there.
Dang.
Crazy.
Yeah, San Gabriel always picks up way before over here does, man. That's what it seems like, at least.
Yeah, I mean, these are all males. And up there, I say I probably kept 2 males.
Yeah.
I caught about a dozen out of like 150. They're all females, big fat females.
All
So I was
right.
like, coming here, they're all gonna be females. But
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
I think it's just getting started right here.
I think so too, man. It's better than it was last year for me over here, at least.
White bass aren't even running. And he's telling me this while I'm on the phone at Granger, just
Hooking 'em up.
I'm like, dude, they're running right now. I'm looking at 200.
Just tell them, no, you're right, you're right. Stay home. All right. Built that one. Yes. Yeah, right where I'm throwing it, there's a little channel that goes through there. And it's an easy way for them to get up and down this river here. And it's a perfect place to cast. Yeah. I'm gonna wait. Let's go see if he's 10. $11. All right. I'm gonna fry these guys up. Feels good to finally be out here, you guys. Feels even better to hook up to a fish. Yes, hooked up. Ooh, it's a good one. What the heck is that? Almost fighting good. Ooh, big white. Nice white. All right. Messing up my marabou, dude. I don't have to check you to be 10. I know you is. I know you are. Fish on. All right. That's right here on my feet. Come on, guy. All right. Yes. That's a good one. I'm gonna kayak to me.
Got any eggs in her?
She hadn't spit them out. No, I don't think so. She's a good one though. Right? I feel like it's getting deeper. I think I might jump on over here. Wilson, how am I gonna get up there? No, don't sit there. See if there's anything in this little brush pile before I go up any further. The heck was that? Let's catch it. Yes! Ha 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 ha! Knew there was something here. Woo! Come on, guy. All right. Nice largemouth. Black bass. And a little marabou. That's awesome. Was he 14? Because we're catching and keeping today. So black bass got to be 14, and he is 14 a quarter. All right. But you know what? We ain't gonna keep these guys a day. I'm gonna go ahead and put him back. Thanks for playing, man. Awesome. All right, let's take it down. I don't think they made it all the way down this far yet. Maybe they have. Usually I see them all in here, moving around and stuff. But don't see them this time. Well, it was worth a check. Well, everybody, I went down all the way. Didn't see too much in the water. Threw a couple of times. Didn't get any bites. I'm headed back, man. And I just gotta say, it's beautiful out here. And it's been a while since I've been out here, you guys. The weather's perfect. Water's perfect. It's excellent out here, you guys. Look at that. The sun's behind me. cruising. Oh, here, we gotta, I don't know, see if I can navigate through this real quick. See if I can make it. Oh, here we go. Got a little thing going on, situation. There we go. We got it. I got it now. I got it now. Yeah. You got it. You got it. Woo! Got something here. Got something on the way back. Yeah. Another white. All right. Stay right there. All right, cool. Another white. White. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy on a stringer, you guys. Oh. Come here, kayak. All right. It's pretty good so far. Man, look at this crazy rock, man. It got a big hole in it. Whoa. Oh. I don't know. It's all cavernous. That's cool. That's neato. All right, go back where I found you. Yeah. Fish on. Another one on the way back, everybody. Come on, guy. Ooh, another good one. Whoosh. All right, it's a nice one. Yep. That's for real. He didn't want no one else to get him. There you go. A beautiful white bass. It's a good one. Oh, I got a guest. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate all that. Hey, you add like another 30 pounds to my yakking. Caught a dogfish.
Come on. If you would sit up there, you gotta sit up top.
Yeah, a little bit. Whites on the chartreuse white marabou jig. Couple black bass. Oh, about 2 miles, 2.5 miles or so. And we're back.